This is my 2009 335i, and I fucked up. Car overheated because the water pump went out. I tried to just get it home, and car shut off, and it is now a no crank, no start. Well, I think I need to throw a jump box on my battery. Scanner is currently saying it is at 7 volts, and it is freaking out when I tried to scan it. But here are current codes. We have engine start, starter operation, electric coolant pump, I already knew that. That one's interesting. All of these don't really matter, besides the under voltage, but that's probably because my battery is dead. Let's see. So first things first, I'm going to throw a jump box on my battery in the trunk, and then I'll try to give it a start, see what happens. So these are the codes that came back after I cleared it. Definitely going to have to look into those. Let's see if it starts. Nope. So I'm going to see if I can see a neutral safety switch in the data page and see if that might be our issue. And
well, you know that's working.
so I have this really strong feeling that it's really not my starter and it's something else. So I took my skid plates off, and I'm going to check the ground strap, which is like the main ground for your motor. And this is what I see. First of all, nice and green and corroded. Second of all, my fucking oil pan is pouring. But look at that. It's fucking broken. No surprise. So, I've got the new ground on there. You can see that. Let's see if she starts. Alright, so the next thing I'm tackling is this water pump, which honestly looks like a huge pain in the ass. So right now Right now I'm just draining it, make sure everything's out. I have the subframe lowered just a little bit, so I can try to get a little more access to these bolts. I don't even know if you can see that, but they're nice and hidden up in there. Got one there. It's only 3, but they just make it difficult because it's being bevied. So, fuck. Alright, so I got the water pump out and I got the thermostat out. Huge pain in my fucking ass, but it's done. I'm going to take a break from that real quick because I gotta do my tires as well. I do also probably need an alignment, but I'm not going to do that today because I am still at work. Put that clip in. Well, that seems to be it. I've got the water pump and the new thermostat installed. All the hoses are connected. Now I just need to raise the subframe, reconnect the sway link, put that back, then fill it. That should be it for that. Well, I broke my overflow hose. Bought a new one. Went to put it on the upper radiator hose, and then I broke my upper radiator hose. So close. Well, she's driving. I got everything done besides my back window that doesn't want to roll back up. But other than that, she's doing good. Heat's blowing. We just got to keep driving. There's a hidden menu in the BMW to see the coolant. After I did mine, this is what it's reading, which reads about 217-ish, 220 maybe, degrees Fahrenheit. So it looks like it is doing nice and good.